5.8 earthquake rattles Central California. A magnitude 5.8 earthquake struck the eastern Sierra region of California near Lone Pine on Wednesday morning. The tremor hit the remote area off US 395 at 10:40 a.m. There were no immediate reports of injuries or damage, but shaking was felt in the area. The quake hit about 11 miles south of Lone Pine in Inyo County. The region experienced a magnitude 4.6 earthquake, now considered a foreshock, 2 nights ago. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, shaking was felt in Fresno, Visalia and Bakersfield. I was just searching on the computer and all of a sudden, without precursor, violent shaking for 2 seconds. Then it mellowed out into deep shakes, said Jalen Wright, the desk clerk at the Best Western Hotel on Main Street in Lone Pine. It was super violent at the start, almost up and down, then it went side to side.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.